Hi, welcome to another video. And here today we'll be covering application in detail. So really quickly, just to sell you the importance of application, this is the syllabus guide from Cambridge. And we can see when added up, knowledge and application will be 65% if you score everything. So this can already get you an A. Based on history, 55% is an A. This may change in 2027 since there are some new formats, but we'll see how it goes. So at the very least, I think it will get you a B, if not an A. So how do we score application now that I have your attention? So let's start here. There are a couple of rules I need you to remember. Number one, names do not count. Copying down the names of a person like John, the company like ATZ, or country like country X. These are not applications. That will be too simple, right? And application must come together with another point. It can be knowledge, analysis, or evaluation. Okay. Of course, we do not repeat. Same for knowledge, same for analysis. Examiners do not award repetition. Okay. And here, when an application point is in a question, let's say question C, there's an application point inside, you may not use that one. If you use that one, examiners will say you are copying the question. So you will not be awarded application marks. And when you do copy application points, try not to change them. Try to remain it as is. Do not change them. It may confuse the examiner and you may not get the marks. So when do we need application? Let's start here. Let's start simple. So anytime the question has a name, there will be marks for application. I coined a saying. The saying goes, name in the question has application. It's a bit of a rhyme there going on, right? So now you try. Are there application marks required here? Have a look. You can pause the video. Question E does not require application. There are no names here. Question D, yes, in this case, there will be marks for application. See, simple enough, right? So how do we find application points? Okay. Apologies. That's my alarm going off. So here, a key question to ask yourself is, does this apply to every business? Do all businesses have this? Okay. Not all businesses are in the secondary sector. Some may be in tertiary, some may be in primary. Not all of them make furnitures. Okay? And so on and so forth, right? We repeat this, and that's how I get all the green highlights here. Okay. Really quickly, furniture, tables, and chairs, I would consider this as just one application point. So students may try and argue that furniture, tables, and chairs are all separate application points. No, these all point to the product of the company, so they are the same application point. Now you try. Which do you think are actually application points? Pause the video and think. So I'll show you the answer. I would say private sector, many objectives, electrical goods, including kettles and ovens, 36 shops, delivery service, local suppliers to avoid import tariffs, I would say 6. What else do we have? Find a source of finance, 7. 10 new delivery vehicles, I would say 8. Okay, did you get a similar answer? Check. So how do we score the marks now? Okay, so we have our knowledge and analysis points here ready because we are only focusing on application. So it's very simple. Watch this. Okay, it's a magic trick. Okay, so instead of increased output, I'll just say increased output of furniture. And this is my application point. Okay, I made a bit of mistake here. It was included just now, right? And for second one, this can improve reputation of the business. Maybe I'll change and include one word, of the business in the secondary sector. And this is my application point. See? Simple enough, right? So in short class, application is just copy and paste. Copy things from the case that makes sense and paste it into your answer. Okay? Now you try it for this question. Okay? Pause the video and think. Right. High profits, maybe I would write here, from selling electrical goods. And this will score very nicely for application. These are all past year questions, so you may verify with marking schemes. High interest can increase expenses and reduce profit margin from the 36 shops, I would say. And this will be complete already, right? So easy enough, right? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video, right? Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.